Let's remove like that. Probably needed to remove this. And the filter. Holy shit. Damn. Why it's so cracked? Shit. Okay. Okay. Let's put new one. Also shitty one for the beginning, but much nicer. Of course, you see why it's so cheap. Doesn't have this, like, I don't know what does it give, but it should be okay. It's just like that. Interesting. Okay. So we're supposed to be third clip like this, but outlet. Maybe later. It's so awkward. Here we see the really angry guy trying to fix his SAAB, and he's mad about it. Not about SAAB, about you. Can't just film, right? So, really big mess over here. Managed to make a hole with screwdriver and succeeded to spin the filter. So now I try to cover myself from oil and remove it completely. It will be a lot of oil, I think. And the wind is blowing right to me. And this will be bad. I already want to escape. Oh my god. You see how it smells? Oh, but not so terrible as I thought. Okay, I'll try to wash the brake cleaner. Actually, the color of oil looks good. Just it's very dark, but on the metal it's like brownish, copperish color, so I think it was okay. The condition of oil. Of course, it would be easier to see removing the valve cover, but I think it's okay. We need some more. We can use old oil, I think, for the gasket. Oh man, that wind. Okay, so let's take a little bit of this. sight is enough. Nice. The numbers are in the top level. So we have, I think, great success in turning engine because it turns by hand. At least it turns. More. You can show from
a bit.
Yep.
Yeah, belt moves.
And yep, so fuel filter change, new oil in it, and we will be cranking.
So fuel filter is removed, all leaking, but inside looks quite okay. No big rust, but you never know when outside looks so rusty, so we're gonna change it however, and with new one. The new filter is in place, everything's bolted up really nice. I'm really amazed how after all these years all the bolts are rusty, but everything unbolts very nicely. I'll try now to connect these two. It already beeped, something beeped. So okay, let's try put in ignition. On. Something is beeping here. I don't know what it is here. Need to check in manual. But maybe it's pumping the fuel. Nothing's happening here. Not like the pump is working. And I think it burned out, or maybe not. Still, let's try to put it on in ignition. No power. That's bad. Or maybe battery is dead. No, battery seems okay. Let's try to put in ignition now. Everything works again. So that's bad, then you are not electrician. No smells, no wrong smells, no fuel in the bottle. It's a problem, some problem. So maybe the fuel tank is dead empty, that would explain that no fuel is going while the fuel pump is jammed with my connector, but something here is really bad. So yeah, we need to maybe try to fill some fuel in the tank. So I have put about 5 liters of petrol, and let's turn ignition on. See if fuel gauge has raised from 0 to really not bad. So maybe even after this, move our bottle got filled something. Yep, I see something is leaked. Fruitable, not somehow something is leaked. Yeah, that's a good sign. So let's try the power relay shortener again. Something is beeping. Hope it don't burn. Let's fastly damage gear. Let's see if something is leaking. Nothing really. Let's turn the ignition off and unplug the relay, and let's try just like that. It should have been pumped never squirt like it did before. It'll be bigger, but I don't think. Strange. Maybe just I don't know where it's from. All this. After sitting and searching Google what's that beeping mechanism could be, I have a little bit bigger puddle of petrol, so I think the pump is kind of working, I don't know. And the fluid is kind of milky, you see, or it's just foam, I don't know. So I think I'm gonna try zoom. I think I'm gonna try just fill oil, put another tank of petrol, and try to start it. So the best oil in whole universe is going. As you see, this is almost clean. Almost zero oil. So basically last time we removed about 2.5-3 liters major oil, so it's left, of course it's left of oil here, but we're gonna add about 2.5 liters or 3 liters of new oil, so I think it should be okay for a while at least. The oil goes down, but let's wipe this down. Smells like mine. The petrol is in. The battery is in. Not very strong, but it should do something. So first, of course, we're gonna unplug the DI cassette, ignition cassette, and we will just put the engine on starter mode. The drive belt is also really not in great condition, but it should hold our tries. I hope. I hope so. So yes. I think let's give it some spins with starter. Let's try it at least. Died. I put the ignition on and things will light up, but when I switched to the start position, it just shut down everything and never came back. So I think the battery is too poor. Maybe the turbo were installed bad. Let's try. No, but I think the battery is too dead.